If you've been drowning in the overwhelm of all the HubSpot updates that have been released lately, then you're not alone. And I've got something that might help you. So we've got a course. This is in our HubShots community, and you can go and join the wait list. We let in a few people every day. And one of the courses is HubSpot Updates That Matter. I'm going to walk you through that in a second, but here's the problem we're trying to solve. If you go to your product updates in HubSpot, look, I'm in here pretty regularly. Look at this, new to me, 116. We've got all these betas that are on. It's like this list is massive. And it's like, what is actually valuable to me? I have to go through all of them and find out. Well, we've done a lot of that hard work for you. So we've got this course here and we've broken them into certain categories. So if you're in marketing, for example, is of interest. Now, what you can do is you can just have a look, and we've got this nice traffic light system so that you can see the ones that are really important and that we think are valuable based on chatting with clients and talking about some of these. But what I want you to notice is there's only a few. So instead of all the hundreds of updates that you have to wade through, we've just picked the few that are useful. For example, look at Breeze. There's only 4 here. These are the ones that you really need to be on top of. And the other thing that we do is once they've been finished, we put them into an archive. So this list is always curated and kept just to the bare minimum that we think is valuable. This should save you tons of time. So feel free to join the community. And, you know, we've got 100 or so, 150 people in there now. And we've got a nice little kind of community feed that goes on as well. That's not the main focus, I have to say. It's really these classrooms and all these different courses. And as well as this Updates That Matter, which I think is really valuable to people, we've got a whole bunch of other courses as well. Setting up HubSpot meetings, campaigns, tools and tips, ads, and things like that. So join the community. You can go to hubshots.com/community. All the details are there. And I look forward to seeing you in there sometime soon.